always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back on this Tuesday. Here's what we're tracking. We've had 5 straight days with no measurable rain in Grand Rapids. We needed a break. It looks like some more showers will be coming our way, though, later on this afternoon into the evening. A slight cool down looks to follow later this week, along with a hint of Canadian wildfire smoke. There will be less humidity as we get into Thursday and Friday. Then temperatures will be ramping up as we get into early next week. We could see our first 90s since mid-June. There's the look outside in Grand Rapids right now. We have mostly sunny skies moving through the middle of our day here. And in South Haven, a lot of folks enjoying their time at the beach. Just stay aware of the possibility of a flare-up of some thunderstorms as we go through this afternoon. And the lake waters currently pretty comfortable, upper 60s to mid 70s. Southwest winds between 5 and 15 miles per hour look to generate some wave heights up to about 1 foot today. Here's a look at our current temperatures across lower Michigan. It's cooler as you approach Traverse City and Manistee. That's where we currently have some showers that are happening, suppressing the temperatures there. Otherwise, close to 80 degrees far and wide. Currently 78 in Lansing and Grand Rapids, 80 degrees in Kalamazoo. It is 76 in Saginaw and 77 in Alpena. Let's get a look at our dew points now. They're fairly comfortable still in the 50s to about 60 degrees, but these will be ramping up as we move into tomorrow, rising into the mid 60s, correlating with the chance of those showers and storms. Wind speeds down from the southwest between about 5 and 15 miles per hour. Storm Track Live displaying that we do have some showers and a couple of thunderstorms that are waiting in the wings there over West Michigan into Lake Michigan now, and you can see that those are going to continue to roll on shore through this afternoon, approaching points just north of Muskegon between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock today. So we'll continue to watch that line as that continues to gain some strength. Let's look at Storm Track Live. On the broader view, you can see this system continuing to nudge in from northwest to southeast, and again, that looks to bring about some more showers and storms into the later portions of today. Futurecast showing that we will have some more numerous showers and storms by about 6 o'clock this evening. As you can see, those in a couple of strands continuing to drop in from northwest to southeast. We'll hold on to the rain chances at least into the morning hours of Wednesday. As you can see, some additional storms there toward South Haven, Benton Harbor, extending near I-94 at about 6 in the morning on Wednesday. By tomorrow afternoon, it looks like we'll start to clear out the skies some. We'll welcome back some sunshine as temperatures look to make it to about 80 degrees tomorrow. Upper 70s are favored for Thursday, so relatively cool July conditions. Precipitation amounts look to vary between about 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch. There could be some spotty greater totals associated with some of the stronger storms that occur. Something else that we'll be watching for on the back end of this system, we'll have a shift in the wind that looks to bring in a bit of Canadian wildfire smoke. It's not going to be particularly thick or hazardous, but again, you can see that continuing to drift in northwest to southeast. Could provide us with some more colors to our sunrises and sunsets. If you are susceptible to that smoke in the air, just make sure you're taking it easy over the next couple days here, even though it won't be all that thick. Here's a look at the 8-day forecast. More sunshine to welcome us to the weekend. A high of 82 on Friday, when we also have the kickoff of the Olympics. Hotter temperatures on the way next week. High temperatures around 90 degrees next Monday and Tuesday with storm chances. Emily and Sue?